In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam missing downloaded files error. This issue usually appears when Steam can't find or access files it expects to be on your drive. We'll walk through a clean, reliable sequence to resolve it. Keeping things simple and safe, start by opening Steam and heading to your library. Find the game that's showing the error. Right-click it, choose Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process compares what's on your drive with what should be there and re-downloads anything missing or corrupted. It may take a while depending on the game size, so let it finish before moving on. Next, clear the download cache. Click Steam at the top left. Open Settings, go to Downloads, and choose Clear Cache. Steam will restart and you'll be asked to sign in again afterward. This step clears stuck or outdated download data that can confuse the client. While you are in Settings, repair your library folder. Go to Storage, find the drive where your games are installed. Click the three dots and choose Repair Library. This fixes permissions and path references, so Steam can properly read and write files in that location. Now run Steam as an administrator. Fully exit Steam, including from the system tray. Then right-click the Steam icon and choose Run as Administrator. Elevated permissions help when Windows blocks Steam from updating files, especially if your games are on a protected folder or a different drive. If you use mods or subscribe to workshop items, clear temporary workshop downloads. Close Steam, then navigate to your Steam installation folder. Usually C drive program files. x86, Steam Apps, Workshop, Downloads. Delete the contents of that Downloads folder only. These are temporary files, and removing them can resolve conflicts caused by partially downloaded or corrupted workshop content. Avoid deleting other folders. Finally, restart your computer. A fresh reboot releases locked files and resets services that might interfere with Steam's access to your game folders. After completing these steps, open Steam, go back to your library, and launch the affected game. If the error persists, repeat the integrity check to ensure everything was restored properly and confirm you ran Steam with admin privileges. Working through this order addresses the most common causes: missing or damaged files, cache conflicts, library folder issues, permission problems, and corrupted workshop downloads. Thanks for watching.